Hey guys, this is the 16th March, and um, summary for today is that I'm just um, I'm just getting used to not opening, and like I know, like the that I need to open, and it also makes me feel a little bit bad that I'm not doing it. But I think that's also good for me, and I need to get fine with it. That if I'm not opening, then I'm not opening. It's not in my mood, or I'm just not doing it. And that what actually got me thinking that when I come out, it's like a kind of refreshing, and it's like recharging to me. It's like recharging to my thoughts and my mind, and that is the upside that I'm just getting with this. And also from life, I have officially started trading, and it's been like a lot of time that I just prepared for it, and and that's it. And now let's see. But the one thing that I'm focusing on it is that just doing it the right way, and that's also I was not doing it a game correct way. That there are some rules that has to be followed, and you have to fucking follow that. In trading too, you have to fucking follow that. And there's some some small thing which comes up. Like for example, you get in like random trade, and you just like win. Then you're like, should I cut the? When you realize that it's a random and it doesn't promote consistency in future, and it gives you bad belief that I won on random, so I can win more on random thing, and it just promotes that. That's also same in like game also. I'm just doing in disciplined way, and it's a fun. But I'm just like whatever I am able to do. I'm just doing my best, and let's see if it's gonna take some time. It definitely feels bad, and it definitely feels. But it has a huge side also, that it helps me recharge my brain and that I can just get more focused on. And discipline is like the very critical. Like there were like a lot of moments today that I was like, what should I do? Should I give over my rules or should I just follow my rules? And that really got me thinking that what am I choosing? And I was choosing previously. I was choosing short-term gains, like okay, this is random. Let me just win. I'll just make sure that next one is not good. Next time I won't do. And next time I kept doing it and just blow my account. And that's not good at all. When I realized it, I just like leave it. I don't care about money. I just care about executing, making, like integrating self, making myself better to execute trades. That's the main thing. I mean, I can hire anyone to analyze market and stuff like that, but execution is the main thing that that just makes money in long term. And what else? And also, it's like we have one like short term thing or long term thing. Long term is like uncertainty. If I follow my rules, if it tends to work, what's gonna happen? So that's the approach that I'm just taking in, and it's like small micro thing. I'm gonna do it for like I don't know, for a longest time, and then I'm just gonna have it integrate within myself the way, when I come out, that thing is integrated. I'm just gonna integrate that stuff in that. Then I'm also gonna focus on opening, and definitely gonna do that. But this is where I am right now. This is a status quo, and I think that's it. I mean, just accept whatever it is and just enjoy with it. It's not a way to enjoy, but it's fine. Just leave it. I'm happy with it. I just made peace with it. Then what happens that I just get comfortable and then I open without having impulse. It can also drive me. I'm not opening. That also drives me. But it's not a good drive. It's not a consistent. You can't do that every day, and you can't do that on your impulse. You need that drive. So it's just how I'm training myself, how I'm training my brain, and this is how I want to train my brain. And I think that's it for today. I'm going to end now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. And day by day it just gets better to me. I have seen obviously that but there's also momentum of shooting this video, coming out every day, and after 4 minutes it just gets better. But as I can see, I'm just very good at it. But it just We're just making a cake. We just have to follow the process, and that's it. We're just gonna have a cake, and that's it. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.